Yes, welcome to the world, little ones.
Chirpy?
What in the world?
Chick's a blue!
This is unbelievable.
A blue chick!
I am your friend. Why are you crying? Here you go. Oh, yes. A monkey stolen our egg.
Yeah, sneaky monkey. A monkey? On our farm?
Can you tell me about what happened? How was your egg stolen?
We were sleeping and then it was gone. It was a thief. For you, my lovely duck. I don't want your stinking rose. Ow! But why? Wow. We can't stay here.
I know. Let's go.
Hurry, before it's too late!
I'm right behind you.
Wow, an egg. I wonder what's inside. Let's go on an adventure.
This way! Hurry!
Right.
Look! Up front, that bad big monkey holding blue chick!
Oh no, we have to save the chick! Hurry, before it's too late!
Don't be sad, little one.
I was so lonely.
You're safe with us.
Yay! Thank you!